Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make 2 mini steak pies. Let's prepare the pastry first. Some all-purpose flour or plain flour. Add a little salt to the flour. Sift the flour and salt together into a bowl. Then transfer them into the stand mixer. Add the cold and salted butter. Break the egg. Add the cold water until the weight is 90 grams. Give a good whisk. Then gradually mix with the fine crumbs. Mix to firm paste. Transfer the dough into a flour table. Quickly shape it into a ball. Cover it by cling film. Let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. I use boneless shank steak. Add some water, keep the temperature at medium heat. Bring to boil, keep simmering for 10 minutes, then turn off the heat and drain. Preheat the oven at 330 Fahrenheit. 2 beef stock cubes and dissolve them in the hot water. Transfer the beef back to the Dutch oven. Add the beef stock. Add another 2 cups of water, keep the temperature at high heat. Add a little salt. Black pepper. Some spring onion. Fresh ginger. Red cooking wine. Bring to boil. Then transfer to the oven. Cook it for 3 hours at 330 Fahrenheit. Three hours later, the beef is tender. I scoop out some beef broth to make the gravy. Transfer the broth to a saucepan. Keep it at low heat. Add the cornstarch, mix well, then turn off the heat. Preheat the oven at 425 Fahrenheit. The dough is ready. To make 2 pies, I equally divide it into 2 pieces. To make 1 pie, I break off 1/3 for the lid, the rest is the base. Flour the pie dish. Remove it. The mark shows me how big I will roll out the dough. Make the dough 3 to 4 mm thickness. Adjust it to fit the pie dish. Remove the extra. Do the same thing to the lid, make it 3 to 4 mm thickness. Fill the pie with steak and pour the gravy. Cover with the lid and press the edges well to seal. Remove the extra. I do the crimping by following the grooves in the pie dish. Brush the egg wash. Make the pie vent. I bake them for 30 minutes at 425 Fahrenheit. Minutes later, let's check the pie. It's very easy to remove from the pie dish. My recipe includes 2 mini pies. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So each mini pie cost me $4.87. I'm going to enjoy this steak pie with some chips. Thanks for watching my video.